Alright, we're going to look at determining the surface area of this figure. That's again finding the area of each of the outer sides. So first we have to identify those. So we have the front here, and that's going to be the exact same dimensions as the back that you can't see. And then we have the bottom that you can't see. We have this side that you can't see. So then and that's 4 sides. So let me number these. We have 1 here. We have the back that you can't see, the bottom that you can't see, and this side that you can't see. Then we also have this side here, this side here, this side here, and this side here. So in the end, we're going to be adding up 8 different areas to get what we need. So we'll start with the front, which I've numbered 1 here, but I'm going to erase all that. Okay, starting with the front here, it's this L shape, and so in order to get the area of that, you're going to need to break it down into 2 rectangles, because that's what we worked with, is rectangles. And so the dimensions of this rectangle, we can get the height here by that. That's going to be a 2 by 6 rectangle, and then this we get from over here. So this is going to be a 2, and then the 3, so that's going to be a 2 by 3 rectangle. So you'll get those 2 areas and add them together. That'll be the area of the front. So you would take whatever you get for that, and then you'll have the exact same number for the back. Okay, so whatever that number is, you just double it. So then the next one that I pointed out, number 3, was the bottom. That's going to be a 6 by 8 rectangle. So you're going to find that number by multiplying those. Next, you would have the other side we can't see is this kind of side over here. That's still the 8 yards wide. But then, because it's this length here, right? And the height you get because it's the same as this height plus this height. So that'll be 5 yards high for that back side. You find that number. Okay, so that processes through all of that's the front and then the 3 sides we can't see. Now I'm going to go through the ones that we can see here. So this was 5 here, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So that side 5, it's easy to see what it is. It's a 2 by 8 rectangle. So you'll find the area of that and add that to your list. And then for this next one up, this is going to be a 2. This will be 8 because this translates up as the same length. So that's another number. Then you have this is a 3, and this is still 8. That 8 is that side, still translates. All the depths are 8. So 3 by 8 gives us our 7th number. And then the top up here is going to be another 2 by 8. That'll give us our 8th number. Once you find all those numbers, you add them all up, and that's going to give you your surface area. I would recommend that you double check the adding because that's a lot of button pressing. But that'll give you your surface area, and that should be in yards squared because it's area. Area is always squared. Now part B of this problem is going to be to find the volume. To find the volume, you can find the area of this front side, which we've already done when we found surface area, and you just take and multiply that by its depth, which is 8 yards. So whatever the area of the front piece is times its depth will give you the volume, but volume will be in yards cubed because volumes is how many cubes it takes to fill up the shape. So go ahead and give that a try and let me know how it works out for you.